Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to assemble your bookbinding press, ensuring it's ready to use for all your bookbinding projects. Inside your kit, you'll find 2 brass-edged boards, 4 carriage bolts with matching wing nuts and plastic washers, and a handle with 4 screws. Additionally, a Phillips head screwdriver will be needed for assembly. The brass edges are an important feature of your press, as they protrude slightly from the surface to help create the hinge, also known as the French groove. To begin assembly, take the bottom board and locate the side with the prefabricated pockets. These pockets are designed to encompass the heads of the carriage bolts, allowing the book press to rest flat. Insert the carriage bolts into these pockets, threaded side first. Next, take the top board and carefully align it with the bottom board, ensuring the threaded side of the bolts goes into the parallel holes. As the boards meet, make sure the protruding edges of the brass strips touch, aligning perfectly. With the holes aligned, position the handle over the top of the board, matching its screw holes with those on the board. Begin fastening the screws, but don't tighten them completely just yet. Keeping the screws slightly loose at first will prevent the handle from shifting during assembly. Once all 4 screws are in place, go ahead and tighten them securely. And there you have it. Your bookbinding press is assembled and ready for use. Happy bookbinding!